It's a good time of the year to plant some seasonal bedding plants. Everybody loves flowers. They're appealing to the eye, add a nice pop of colour, and are very beneficial to insects at this time of year. So now is a great time of the year to plant up a container with some seasonal bedding and shrubs. First thing that you got to do when you're dealing with a container is make sure you have some good drainage holes. Two nice ones here. Second thing you do is you add in your drainage layer. Here I have a couple of crocks. We can use some of the bigger pieces to cover over the hole and then add in more layers. Next thing to do is to add in your compost. So here I have a peat-free multi-purpose compost full of all the nutrition that your plants are going to need to get a good head start. So now all we need is our plant selection. Here we have a wonderful variety of late winter, early spring planting. For me, one of my favourites is Viburnum tinus. Now when it comes to planting, most plants will slip out of pot quite easy, but it's handy to tease out some of the roots before planting. Next off here I have a skimmia. And again, this is a wonderful winter shrub. Should slide easily out of pot. Again, we're looking to tease out some of the roots so that they don't grow round in a circle. And it provides a wonderful contrast in colour to the viburnum. Now next up I want to get a heather in, another great pollinator plant. You can see here now again where the colour scheme is starting to come together. Rich mix of pinks and purples. Bees and butterflies are attracted to that colour range. We may need to tease it out. You can see here this is wet, it's been soaked for a while. And then because I like a planter to have seasonal interest, I think it's a good idea at this stage to plant in some of our bulbs. Here I have lovely hyacinths. And again, these will flower in that pinky purple lilac range. I'm teasing out some of the roots, placing at the forefront. It's not going to be shaded out by any of the plants at the rear. Maybe a nice hellebore too. We can clear off any of the excess soil so that it fits in. Again, because plants grow slower in winter time, this kind of tight space in here is ideal to give you an instant display. Quite attractive. I'm also adding an ivy. So a nice trailer gives your planting that just extra bit of lift. It'll trail down over the side and make lovely space in the garden. For a bit of colour contrast, the cyclamen here. I find red goes very well with purples. Let's grab another one here. This sets everything off nice and neat. That's it, well and truly firmed in. So there you have it. That's a lovely multi-seasonal planter. All that's needed now is just to water it in. Don't forget to see our top tip videos and enjoy your garden.